Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the LCD cover on your HP 15's eq1018ns. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. This is essential to avoid any electrical damage while working on your device. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial for safety. Now, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove all screws. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step to prevent damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of the laptop. It's a good idea to take this opportunity to clean the internal parts with compressed air. Dust buildup can affect performance and longevity. With the back panel off, locate the LCD assembly. You'll need to disconnect the cable that connects the LCD to the motherboard. Gently pull the connector out, being careful not to damage the pins. Now, look for screws that secure the LCD cover to the assembly. These screws are usually located around the perimeter of the LCD frame. Remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. If you're unsure, refer to the service manual for your specific model for the exact screw locations. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws that may be hidden. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can assist you with the process. Before installing the new LCD cover, take a moment to compare it with the old one. Ensure that all ports align correctly and that there are no additional components attached to the new cover that might need adjustment. Now, place the new LCD cover onto the assembly, making sure it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them carefully. Be mindful not to over-tighten, as this can crack the cover. Next, reconnect the LCD cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly seated to avoid display issues later on. At this point, you might want to test the laptop before fully assembling it back. Simply power it on to check if the display works correctly. If everything looks good, power off the laptop again and reattach the back panel. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you find it challenging to manage this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about traveling or making calls. Finally, reinstall the battery, plug the laptop back in, and power it on. Your HP 15's eq1018ns should now have a brand new LCD cover, looking as good as new. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.